Hello and welcome to EduNovations GK Quiz. Today's topic is cricket records in IPL matches. We will provide you details about records in different IPL matches and you have to identify the name of player who made that record. So let's start. First question. Who holds the record for the most runs scored in the history of the Indian Premier League? Yes. Time's up. Yes, correct answer is Virat Kohli holds the record with 7,579 runs scored across 242 matches played from 2008 to 2024, including 8 centuries and 52 50s. These videos are prepared targeting international GK Olympiads and other competitive exams. Getting more videos of general knowledge, please subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please share this to your family and friends and comment us about the topic on which you want us to make next video. Next question. What was the highest individual score ever recorded in the IPL match and who achieved it? Yes. Time's up. Yes, Chris Gayle smashed 175 not out against Pune Warriors on 23rd April 2013, hitting 13 fours and 17 sixes at the strike rate of 265.15. Next question. Who holds the record for the highest batting average in a single IPL session and in which year did they achieve it? Yes, time's up. Correct answer is Vivrant Sharma, who boasts the highest average of 69 achieved in 2023 in just 3 matches played. Yes. Next question. Which player has the highest strike rate in IPL history and which team did he represent during his career? Your time's up. Yes, A.D. Russell holds the record with a strike rate of 175.55 across 116 matches played from 2012 to 2024, scoring 2,377 runs. Next question. Who endured the most ducks in their IPL career and across how many different teams did they play? Time's up. Dinesh Karthik endured 17 ducks across various teams from 2008 to 2024. Next question. Which player holds the record for hitting the most sixes in IPL history and which team did he play for primarily? Yes, time's up. Correct answer is Chris Gayle smashed 357 sixes from 2009 to 2021. Showcasing his colossal hitting ability. Yes, next question. Who is the leading wicket taker in IPL history and in which year did he debut in the league? Think about it. Time's up. Correct answer is Yuzvendra Chahal took 195 wickets from 2013 to 2024, demonstrating his proficiency in spin bowling. Next question. Which bowler recorded the best bowling figures in a single IPL match and against which team did this performance occur? Time's up. Yes, Alzarri Joseph's remarkable performance on 6th April 2019 for Mumbai Indians against Sunrisers Hyderabad saw him claim 6 wickets for just 12 runs with an economy rate of 3.7. Next question. Who has scored the most centuries in IPL history and which team does he represent? Time's up. Yes, Virat Kohli scored the most hundreds, totaling 8 across 242 matches played from 2008 to 2024. Next question. Which player holds the record for the most 50s in IPL history? And how many matches did it take for him to achieve this milestone? Time's up. Yes, David Andrew Warner notched the most 50s, accumulating 62 across 181 matches played from 2009 to 2024. Next question. Which player holds the record for the most runs scored in an IPL series? Yes, your time's up. Yes, Virat Kohli scored 973 runs in the 2016 IPL series in 16 matches. Next question. Which player hit the most six in a single IPL inning, and against which team did he achieve this feat? Time's up. None other than Chris Gayle smashed the most sixes in an inning, hitting 17 against Pune Warriors on 23rd April 2013 during an inning of 175 runs. Next question. Who achieved the highest strike rate in a single IPL inning, and against which team did this performance occur? Time's up. Yes, Chris Morris achieved the highest strike rate in an inning with a staggering rate of 422.22 while scoring 38 not out on 11th April 2017 against Pune Super Giants. Next question. Who accumulated the most runs from boundaries, 4 and 6s in a single IPL inning, and which team was he playing for? Your time's up. None other than Chris Gayle accumulated the most runs from 4s and 6s in an inning, scoring 154, 13 4s and 17 6s on 23rd April 2013 against Pune Warriors in an innings of 175 runs. Next question. Who has taken the most 4 wickets home in a single IPL inning, and how many times has he achieved this feat? Your time's up. Yes, Sunil Narine took 4 or more wickets in an inning on 8 occasions during his IPL career from 2012 to 2024. Next question. Who has taken the most 5 wickets hauls in IPL history, and how many times has he achieved this feat? Time's up. Yes, James Faulkner achieved 5 or more wickets in an inning twice during his IPL career from 2011 to 2017. Next question. Which bowler conceded the most runs in a single IPL inning, and against which team did this happen? Your time's up. Yes, Basil Thampi conceded the most runs in an inning, giving away 70 runs in 4 hours on 17th May 2018 against RCB. Next question. Who took the most wickets in a single IPL series, and in which year did this performance occur? Your time's up. Harshal Patel took the most wickets in a series, grabbing 32 wickets in the 2021 IPL seasons across 15 matches. Next question. Who has made the most dismissals as a wicketkeeper in IPL history, and how many dismissals did he make? Your time's up. Yes, MS Dhoni made the most dismissals as a wicketkeeper, accounting for 184 dismissals from 2008 to 2024, with a maximum of 4 dismissals per innings. Next question. Who holds the record for the most dismissals by a wicketkeeper in a single IPL match, and when did this happen? Your time's up. Kumar Sangakkara recorded the most dismissals in a match by a wicketkeeper, making 5 dismissals on 14th April 2011 against RCB. Next question. Who made the most dismissals as a wicketkeeper in a single IPL series, And in which year did this happen? Your time's up. You are correct. Rishabh Pant made the most dismissals in a series by a wicketkeeper with 24 dismissals in 16 matches, including 18 catches and 6 stumpings. Now next question. Who has taken the most catches as a fielder in IPL history and how many catches did he take? Yes, time's up. Correct answer. Virat Kohli took the most catches as a fielder, accumulating 110 catches across 242 matches played from 2008 to 2024, with a maximum of 3 catches in an inning. Next question. Who holds the record for the most catches taken in a single IPL inning as a fielder, and when did this happen? Time's up. Correct answer. Mohammad Nabi holds the record for the most catches in an inning as a fielder, taking 5 catches on 8th October 2021 against Mumbai Indians. Now next question. Who took the most catches as a fielder in a single IPL series, and in which year did this happen? Yes, your time's up. Yes, AB de Villiers took the most catches as a fielder in a series, grabbing 19 catches in IPL 2016 across 16 matches with a maximum of 3 catches in an inning. Next question. Who holds the record for the highest partnership by wicket in an IPL match, and against which team did they achieve this? Your time's up. You're absolutely right. KL Rahul and QD Cock recorded the highest partnership by wicket, scoring an unbeatable 210 runs on 18th May 2022 against Kolkata Knight Riders. Last question of this series. Who recorded the highest partnership by runs in an IPL match, and when did this happen? Time's up. Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers achieved the highest partnership by runs, accumulating 229 runs on 14th May 2016 against Gujarat Lions. Thanks for watching this video. These videos are prepared targeting to international GK Olympiads. For watching more videos of this kind, please subscribe our channel. Share this video to your family and friends, and let us know the next topic on which you want us to make video. Thank you.